What is going on today, guys? Today we have a very special video. We're going to be surprising my sister with a new car. So let's go grab the car. Okay, it looks amazing outside, but believe it or not, it is about 30 degrees and it's freezing and it sucks. I hate it. We have a storm moving in, which should hopefully put out the fires, or at least help dampen them. But let's grab the car. This is it. 2015 BMW 3 Series. Nice. Like, how many did we look at that didn't have the LED headlights? I think it was pretty much
all of them.
Yeah, pretty much all of the ones we looked at didn't have these headlights, and I'm genuinely surprised by it. It's already ashy.
It's got
Clear bro
on it.
Yep. This is a crazy good condition for being.
It's 2015.
Yeah, 2015. It's basically brand new. It looks like.
There's not a single door ding.
No door dings. The interior is basically brand new. Yeah. This is like pretty highly optioned. It looks like too. This is crazy. Let's go. Merry Christmas, Lily. You're getting license plates. Okay, my mom was the last one to drive this. Cold start. Needs an exhaust. This is basically my Mini, but in a BMW package because it's got everything else that my Mini has. It's got the same 4-cylinder, same dash stuff. Yeah, it's basically exactly my car. Yeah, this car basically feels just like my car. It's basically immaculate, brand new. I was playing around with some of the settings. It's pretty much everything she needs. It's got almost entirely fully loaded, which is amazing. And I'm so happy she's getting this. Okay, I've got some Adams detail spray. Because of all the ash we have, there's just a little bit like that that's kind of dirty. So spray, wipe and lift. There we go. That is such a good looking car. She is so lucky. I'm so happy for her. I'm gonna have to teach her how to actually properly wash a car because she doesn't know how to yet. And that's an important thing to learn. Look at how ashy it is. All right, we're gonna do a highway pull to see how powerful it actually is. Sport mode, gear, and go. Got a little over 240 horsepower is what it says. I think that was a quick enough pull. It's quick enough to get on the highway without being able to get in trouble. Mom's already gone inside to grab her. Mom has already gone inside to grab Lily. So now we wait for Lily to come out.
What is this? Hi. Wow. That's nice. Happy late birthday. Are you surprised now? Yeah.
Lily, catch. I know, that's why I didn't actually throw it.
I don't think so. Really upstairs. Call her back later.
And I was the one driving. Start it. Needs an exhaust.
She's not good at first.
Button on the side first.
Button on the side?
You see the button on the side of the thing?
That says unlock.
No,
Click
you
it.
have to push it. No, push the button on the side and push it. There you go.
It unlocks the transmission, not the doors.
Oh, I was like,
Yep. Why is the unlock button on the transmission stock? Slow, slow.
She's gonna have to learn how to go slowly off the
Everything is exactly like my car. Oh, I didn't realize it had built-in that. That's cool. Yeah, power folding mirrors.
does that fold them in?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
And then that's how you change which one gets adjusted.
Oh, okay.
So, you good?
Yes.
Cool.
Fun. Definitely in trouble. I like the small steering wheel. This mom's steering wheel is really big.
So the brakes are a lot more aggressive than Mom's brakes.
Yeah, I don't.
If you move your seat upwards, the visibility is more.
Oh yeah, you're kind of sitting at my height, wherever it's comfortable for you. Back heated seats.
Does it have an aux cord?
Yeah, it has an aux cord, USB, Bluetooth. I'll show you how to work the radio if you have a little bit of time. Yeah, we can pair your phone and all that. So when you go into park, press that button right there. Front sensors.
That's cool.
And they will turn yellow the closer to the curve you get, and stop.
When it disappears, that means they're over it. So you need to stick your.
Yep.
keep
So,
it past it.
well, not past it, but like,
Well, you know what I mean, like that you're over it. So
Yeah.
you can't see it anymore.
which means this is exactly where you want to park. You can then press park if you want to park it, or yes. Yeah, this is about the speed you want to go in. Hit it at one tire, then the other, and you're good. Button. Button. Auto stop start. Save gas. It turns it off. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have you do this. Click menu. Then scroll to settings. Click in. There you go. There you go. Then you have to click OK on there too. So another really cool thing you can do is you can set these. You see how it pops up? If you hold your finger over it, it'll show you what it's assigned to.
Oh, it's touch.
Uh-huh.
Okay, what are these for?
Your presets, you can set them to whatever you want as long. So you could set
like play like music.
Yeah, so you could set one to play Bluetooth device. You could set two to automatically nav you to home. You could set 6 to set it to your economy pages, like what your fuel MPG is.
I don't remember all those things.
Well, you don't have to. You just hold your finger over it, and it shows you what it's all assigned to. Put it in sport mode and rev it. Just rev it a little bit. It gets louder.
Or does it
And then it gets quieter in eco mode.
pump in the sound?
Yeah, it's the same as my car. It does pumped sound. You want to see the trunk?
Okay, so watch this. So if you want to precipitate,
Do
get
it.
out there.
I didn't see it like no other.
I can take that off.
No, you can't.
Not that. What do you think I said?
I thought you were talking about taking this thing off.
No, you can't take. You shouldn't take that
I
off.
know. I'm like, bro, that is literally illegal.
Okay, watch this.
It's fine.
Is
You
that
broke
an
it.
only use thing?
No.
Ah, there we go. It's like, it's not a single use thing.
Oh well, leave it.
Lily, important thing.
Watch. So if you want to lay down your seats, you can do it from back here. Oh. So the one thing it doesn't have
It's a
is
spare
that
tire.
protector thing that I said.
Yeah.
So if you lift your anything in it, you have to go over your.
How'd that feel? You smacked your hand on the.
Okay, it's really cold. Love you.
Love you. Congratulations. Just a nav up there. That's cool. Obviously, Lily had to go. My dad's gonna take me back to my car, and we're just playing around with the nav. Yeah. There's nobody around. It's got a little bit of power. It's got enough if you bury the throttle, but I don't think she ever would. I'm gonna grab my backpack. That's such a nice car. It's awesome.
I'm just really off to compare my phone to it.
Just don't do what you did to mom's and make yours the priority phone.
Why not?
All right, congratulations, Lily. You have a nice car. I hope you're happy. You deserve it. Oh, off it goes. You deserve it. It's an awesome car. Congratulations. To everybody else watching the video, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And until next time, goodbye.